Today's experiment is open circuit and load test of DC shunt generator. We are going to, at first we are going to start the open circuit characteristics, and then by running the load we will obtain the external characteristics. So let's start with the connection. At first, the prime mover or DC shunt motor connection we are discussing. So we are having the 3-point starter which is connected with the supply voltage. The supply voltage is connected with the 3-point starter which is coming to the line of the starter, and from there are two terminals, Z and A. Z stands for field and A stands for armature. From Z we can see it is it is connected with the DC shunt motor or the prime mover field connection. It's connected with the field winding, and also from A, that is armature point of the starter, it's connected with the armature terminal of the DC shunt motor through an ammeter in series, so that the load current of the shunt motor can be observed. And the supply voltage is connected with the supply is connected with the voltmeter to see the supply voltage. Okay, and this function of this motor is to drive the generator. And when the generator starts rotating, we will slowly start excitation of the generator. Excitation means we will give supply to the field of the generator, and we will see that with the increase in the excitation how voltage is built up, that is voltage is increased and up to its rated value. And during this test we will have to obtain both the voltage and current, that is field current of generator as well as the armature voltage. And with this, taking the x-axis as the field current and y-axis as the voltage, we will draw the VI characteristics, that is the open circuit characteristics of the generator. And in the next step we will do what? After raising the value of the generated voltage up to its rated value, we will stop increasing the excitation. We will no further increase the excitation. Now we will start connecting the electrical load. Here we are having the electrical load, that is the lamp, that is the tungsten filament lamps as load we have kept here, and these are the switches. Different rated lamps are there. So one by one we will switch on these lamps, and we will see the change takes place in the armature voltage of the generator. So across the armature the voltmeter is connected with the generator, and we'll also see the change takes place in the armature current of the generator, because while we are connecting this load with the generator armature, it is connected through the ammeter to observe the load current there, this one. So this ammeter is observing the load current of the generator, this voltmeter observing the voltage of the generator. So VI characteristics, these two. So initially we will do, during open circuit test we will do the VI characteristics between these two, and during load characteristics we will take the reading of these two. Okay. So we are about to start the motor. So please switch on. Give power to the starter. So we can see slowly the supply voltage has reached to its desired value as it is proceeding towards the final point of the starter, and the hold-on magnet attracts the lever so that the motor keeps on running. So this is the supply voltage. Current is very minimal current, because the load of the generator, the motor is the generator. The generator is running at no load, that's why very nominal load you can observe. Now sir, please come to the generator section. Before that, just measure the volt speed, whether the motor is running at its rated value or not. Let's see the speed. The speed has to be raised a bit. 1500. It has to be 1500. So please increase that one. So it's that one. Yeah. Leave it. This. small, I mean, just now can give a very small amount of fluid here. একটুখানি এটা বাড়িয়ে দিন, একটু বাড়িয়ে অল্প বাড়ান।
I think this is around 1500. 482.
Okay, fine. Give it. So it's perfectly running at the desired value, almost 1500 RPM. Now we will start the open circuit characteristics. Sir, you just switch on the. It's on already. It's also on.
And this is also
It has to be on.
on.
Sorry. And gradually start increasing this one. You have to take the screenshot of these various values. Sir, you just slowly keep on increasing this one up to 200 volts. Raise the values. You don't have to stop anywhere because the students are able to pause at various points. They can take those particular points here. Voltage versus current. In open circuit characteristics, they will take 10 to 12 readings for that. It is up to 200 volts. You know what happens? Somewhere 200 or 220 are the maximum volt. That happens since the rated voltage is this much. Okay, this limit. If you further increase also, it will not increase, the voltage will not increase much more. Even if you increase the head current above this value, the voltage will get saturated around this voltage. It is not much. Okay, so this is the open circuit test. You have to take readings, at least 10 readings at various points while it was increasing, and with this you have to draw the VI characteristics, OCC, open circuit characteristics. Now we are about to start the load test. Load test means now we will observe these two values. At this moment there is no load connected, that's why this is 0 ampere only. Sir will switch on the lamps one by one. Okay, one lamp already he has switched on. You can see this here. Wait. So one switch is on, that is 200 watt is hidden here, and the voltage has fallen. It has decreased but current has raised, but speed is also low. So please maintain the speed with the shunt resistance. Increase the shunt resistance of the motor and maintain the 1500 RPM speed. Keep it up. Keep on moving a bit. Okay, fine. So now we have to take this value. Don't take the previous value. So the reading 1 was when this ammeter reading was 0 and it was 200. Right now we have to take this value as the second reading. This is less than 1 ampere. It's 0.8 around, I think, and the voltage is ammeter voltage is also less than 200. So you have to take these two values to prepare the table, data sheet. Now, sir, please increase another switch, another load. Now the load is 400. Two lamps are glowing. You can see voltage drop is much more and current is also more. I think it's increased. Voltage drop has increased also. So please check the speed. Yes. You keep the meter with you always because during this test we have to maintain this constant value. You have to increase this. So we haven't taken the third reading yet. We can take the third reading while the speed is up to 1500 only because we have to keep the speed constant. Bit higher. Slightly more. 84, 86. Okay, fine.
Then 90.
So For third reading, we take these two values. These two values are for the third reading of the load test. Okay, please increase another. One more. 200, one more 200. We can see so many lamps are glowing right now. I mean, we have given already 1, 2, 3, 4, 800 watt we have given already. 600. So, without the use.
So it is नहीं. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 600 watt we have given.
200, then 400, then 600.
Okay, fine. So please maintain the speed here.
But I cannot. If this is the speed.
So right now we have given 600.
This end. This end. 400. 428. It is the
Maximum.
maximum.
Well, so we can see the fourth reading is this. So please insert another load. One more. This is the next reading. Another one, sir. Another one. It is no more 200. Next. Next. Correct. Okay, fine. So you have to take this much readings. You have to take this much readings to common, speed the common. What for speed the common, sir. Speed the common. Puro 0 kilometer. So after the completion, we have to reduce both the fields, and you have to switch off all the loads. Please switch off this one, that one also. In the panel, that switch. Then yes, switch off the motor. Okay, with this the experiment is ended. Thank you.